वाहे गुरु, चाहे कहो श्री राम। ईश्वर अल्लाह वाहे गुरु, चाहे कहो श्री राम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। ईश्वर अल्लाह वाहे गुरु, चाहे कहो श्री राम। ईश्वर अल्लाह वाहे गुरु, चाहे कहो श्री राम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। सबसे प्रभु का प्यारा नाता, वो ही पिता है, वो ही है माता। सबसे प्रभु का प्यारा नाता, वो ही पिता है, वो ही है माता। मंदिर मस्जिद या गिरजाघर, सब ही प्रभु के धाम। मंदिर मस्जिद या गिरजाघर, सब ही प्रभु के धाम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। गीता बाइबल या कुरान है, मालिक का सब में ही ध्यान है। गीता बाइबल या कुरान है, मालिक का सब में ही ध्यान है। सबका प्यारा सदा बनाता, सबके बिगड़े काम। सबका प्यारा सदा बनाता, सबके बिगड़े काम। सबका मालिक एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम। मालिक सबका एक है, अलग अलग है नाम।
Namaskar, all of you. A very warm welcome to everyone. Here, I'm Preeti, School Coordinator at the Sri Ram Universal School. Welcome you all in the virtual celebration of the day which needs no introduction. Yeah, you got it right. It's our 4th Founders Day. I'm delighted that today I got an opportunity to welcome all the stakeholders of our institution as we enter into the 4th year of our journey today, which was an onerous task without the support of teachers, parents, SCL team, and last but not the least, our shining stars, our students. Although the scenario was little different this year, but we came up with flying colors and made things possible in every field. Either it was academics, co-curricular activities, inter-school activities, Olympiads, and many more. In these tough times, we are exploring different avenues for our students for making their studies interesting and simpler. We have also started crash course for grade 10th and 12th through virtual lectures by Shriram experts from all over India. Currently, our children are also participating in Marathon event conducted by SEL for all the SEL schools in India and abroad. I really want our children to become resilient and self motivated during these difficult times and by giving their 100% in every field. Now, without taking much more of your time, I would like to call our chairperson Ramkaran sir to give a message virtually. Give a huge round of applause everyone and welcome Bade sir. Thank you.
नमस्कार। द श्री राम यूनिवर्सल स्कूल व द लिटिल श्री स्कूल के फाउंडर दिवस पर आप सभी अभिभावकों, स्टाफ सदस्यों व प्यारे बच्चों को बहुत बहुत बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं। मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप सब परिवार सहित कोरोना महामारी में सुरक्षित होंगे। आप सब जानते हैं, हमारा रोहतक शहर उत्तर भारत का एजुकेशनल हब माना जाता रहा है, लेकिन स्कूल एजुकेशन की गुणवत्ता की कमी हमेशा खलती रही है, जबकि हमारे बच्चे बहुत मेहनती एवं परिश्रमी हैं। इस बात का एहसास मुझे अपने जीवन में तब हुआ जब मैं जन्म मैनेजर होते हुए गुड़गांव की 3 मल्टीनेशनल कंपनियों में नौकरी के लिए इंटरव्यू लेता था। उस समय मुझे बड़ा दुख होता था कि मैं अपने इलाके के बहुत ही कम बच्चों को नौकरी दे पाता था, क्योंकि उनके पास डिग्रियां तो होती थी, लेकिन वास्तविक ज्ञान व सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी साफ झलकती थी। इसी चिंता का समाधान करने के लिए मैंने इंडिया के नंबर 1 एजुकेशन ब्रांड द श्री राम के साथ हाथ मिलाया, जिन्होंने लेडी श्री राम कॉलेज, श्री राम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स व श्री राम स्कूल जैसे प्रतिष्ठित संस्थान भारत को दिए, जिनकी देश में अलग पहचान है। इसी सपने को साकार करने के लिए मैंने द लिटिल श्री स्कूल व द श्री राम यूनिवर्सल स्कूल की स्थापना की। पिछले 10 सालों में हमारे छात्रों की अचीवमेंट और ओवरऑल प्रोग्रेस को देखकर मुझे अत्यंत खुशी व संतुष्टि मिलती है। लगभग 50 से अधिक देश विदेशों में खुले श्री राम स्कूलों के छात्रों से कंपटीशन में हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे जब जीत कर आते हैं तो मुझे बहुत ही गर्व होता है। स्कूल के स्थापना दिवस पर हर साल छात्रों व अध्यापकों को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए पुरस्कार देते हैं। इस वर्ष कोरोना के चलते व्यक्तिगत रूप से मैं किसी से भी नहीं मिल सका, लेकिन आज ऑनलाइन माध्यम से मैं सभी विजेताओं को बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि हमारे छात्र भविष्य में ग्लोबली जिस भी क्षेत्र में जाएंगे, अपने स्कूल व परिवार का नाम रोशन करेंगे। मुझे ये जानकर खुशी मिलती कि इस साल सरकार द्वारा घोषित नई शिक्षा नीति में जो भी बदलाव किए गए हैं, उनमें से अधिकतर नीतियों का हमारे स्कूल श्री राम की गाइडेंस में शुरू से ही पालन करते आ रहे हैं। मैं इस मौके पर स्टाफ सदस्यों, अभिभावकों व श्री राम ग्रुप का आभार प्रकट करता हूँ, जिन्होंने हमारे स्कूल में विश्वास दिखाया तथा इन विद्यालयों को सफल बनाने में सहयोग दिया। यह वर्ष कोरोना महामारी की वजह से बहुत ही चुनौतीपूर्ण रहा है और हम सब ने डटकर इसका मुकाबला किया है। मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आने वाला समय जल्द ही हमें कोरोना से मुक्ति दिलाए। मैं अपनी व स्कूल मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से सभी को नव वर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ तथा उम्मीद करता हूँ कि नया साल हम सबको मंगलमय हो। नमस्कार।
Founders Day, it's a Founders Day. We celebrate a journey today. Founders Day, it's a Founders Day. We are thankful and grateful each day. Founders Day, it's a Founders Day. We celebrate a journey today. Founders Day, it's a Founders Day. We are grateful and thankful each day. As we walk in a home away from home, We are get up and charge for the day, taking learning step by step to excel in all that we do. Taking learning step by step to excel in all that we do. 'Cause we love our school, we cherish all you've done for us. Now it's time to celebrate this joy. Founders Day, it's a Founders Day. We celebrate the journey today. Founders Day, it's a Founders Day. We are thankful and grateful each day. Founders Day, it's a Founders Day. We celebrate the journey today. Founders Day, it's a Founders Day. We are thankful and grateful each day.
everyone. My son Sikandar is in 8th standard in Sri Ram Universal School. Teachers are very hardworking and nice and caring. They always make sure students do their best. During Corona times also their classes are regularly organized and in proper manners. Notebooks are checked properly and they take care of each and every child. Thank you, teachers and staff, for such good care. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Sonia Huda. I am mother of Mannaf and Abir. I am so grateful to the Sri Ram Universal School for providing the best online classes for our children. The positivity and encouragement given by the school and staff is really commendable. All the hard work you put day after day is really mind blowing. The teachers are working on worksheets, making PPTs, and available on WhatsApp 24/7 to help our children. So, right from the bottom of my heart, I am thanking you for creating a safe educational system and environment to our children. And I feel my children are in safe hands. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ritu.
And I am Dr. Vipul. We are parents of Charvi Gupta of Form 5. I highly appreciate the initiative of the school to run the online teaching program. The online teaching program just feels like is very interactive and just feels like the offline teaching. The teachers, the educational videos and assignments given to children are very helpful. Teachers are always very cooperative and ready to clear the doubts of children at any time.
School has continued with the extracurricular activities even in the difficult period of Corona pandemic. Coffee morning was very well organized and educative event. Teachers have motivated students to celebrate Mother's Day, Teachers' Day, Diwali, etc. They have participated in Shri Expression and won laurels for the school. We are very much satisfied with the overall holistic development of our child. Kudos to the team of the school. Well done, keep it up.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive a King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior lives. Let men their songs employ. While fields and floods, lost hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat, repeat. nation prove the glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders and wonders of his love, and wonders and wonders of his love, and wonders and wonders of his love. Thank you. Happy birthday, my school. Happy birthday, dear school. We love you. Happy birthday, school. The Shriram Universal School, my school. Happy birthday to you. I miss you. I love you. Hello, everyone. My school is great. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. My school, happy birthday. Love me too. Hi, my name is Ashita. I have friends in my school and it's my beautiful school and I love it. Bossy treats and I love it all by myself. But mom is teaching classics and you are. I have 3 moms and 2 aunties and I have 3 moms associates. You will see. Bye. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anandi. My name is Najitala. This is the poem. बस पापा का सुनने आनंद जाना I know my school. It big school. It big more full. Oh, my school. Shantu.
Namaskar to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to be here at this precious moment for celebrating our 4th Founders Day today. It's an honor for me to welcome you all on this special occasion of the Founders Day celebration. It is the most important day in the school's calendar, a day when we honor the founders of the school and value their legacy. We are indebted to chairpersons Shri Ramkaran sir, Shilkaran ma'am and our directors Priyank sir and Deepika ma'am, who had the vision that led to the creation of the school and who have contributed to the leadership and vision of the school. We have achieved a lot all these years and school has made its mark, for which the school is thankful to the foresight of the original founders and governors of the school, who set out with the express intention of developing a school which provides excellent education to students. The day is amazing as it also gives us the opportunity to congratulate and honor the achievements of our capable and hardworking staff and students who are doing their best during this time of pandemic. It is the day to remember that we are an important and strong community. We must thank God for this special role and we need to realize what lies on our head and shoulders. The chief aim of the school is to actively develop the ambition and potential of every student, whether it is academics or any other sphere. The school believes that a student can achieve anything with focus, perseverance, self belief, and confidence. Our school, the Shri Ram Universal School, needs no introduction. It has won many accolades for shining in academics, sports, and other activities this year too. I believe that it is a critical time in education, and as head of the school, I assure you all that me and my teachers are trying their level best in the field of education for our student and will continue to do so. To support this, we have started the Shri Ram School crash courses, which is online, and it is done by our Shri Ram experts from all over India for our senior classes. Revision of all subjects is going well, and understanding the topic is done by the students with betterment and in a meaningful way. It is rightly said, the things you do for yourself are gone when you are gone, but the things you do for others remain as your legacy. During this pandemic time, where everyone is trying to cope up with the digital world and taking necessary precautions to be safe and healthy, our school made sure that apart from completing syllabus, each and every co-scholastic event is organized with the same enthusiasm as it used to be done earlier. No pandemic can stop Shrites from soaring high in the sky and by showcasing their multiple talents. I congratulate all my team members who are doing a great job during these tough times, working hard day and night, and of course our supportive parents, without whom it would not have been possible. I can understand the personal connect is really missing, but we hope to see our students back very soon. With this hope, I once again thank everyone and wish you all a very happy new year. Stay safe, stay healthy. Namaskar.
On the occasion of this Founders Day, I'm privileged to address you all. It's been a pleasure to watch an amazing show despite the technical glitches and to participate in this brilliant function. My compliments to the entire school for a wonderful celebration, and congratulations to all the winners, students as well as teachers. As I share a few thoughts with you, I hope I can echo this the sentiments of teaching fraternity around. I quote an example. The Indian Express newspaper has done a research report on the placement of school toppers from the last 10 years or so, or maybe more. It's an interesting fact that most of them have settled abroad after attaining higher education from elite academic institutions. My reason for mentioning this is that we, as parents and teachers, always wish to give the best educational facilities to our children. We can only hope and pray that they realize that the only key to success is the strong foundation of a good academic score. A school like TSUSR prepares the children not only in a scholarly pursuits, but also effectively skills, aesthetics, refinements, and also the art of living. You know, children, Mahatma Gandhi once said that the future depends on what you do today. I would like to remind everyone about the importance of this today, the present moment. Let's reflect that in our quest of excellence and in achieving our goals, we often lose sight of small but significant moments. It is this today that should assume obviously importance, and even if it is in a minute scale, a hesitant but first step, a kind gesture, an act of generosity, a friendly smile, a helping hand, an open and mind and attitude. When we look around, we realize that nothing is achieved instantly. Even grand vision becomes a reality only through a million single steps. As we have lived through a crisis and a turbulent times, we have learned lessons that have changed our entire perspectives. As mentors, the goal is to provide guidance to our children. Let's resolve to lighten their load, yet warn them against mediocrity and compromise. Let's reduce their pressure and show them the joy of spontaneity and innovation. Let's remind them that they are the generation that is lucky to know the importance of enterprise and a quest for new frontiers. I hope my thoughts can fuel your imagination and we can strive for simplicity with maximum effectiveness. Let's also aspire for the perfection of small strokes of brilliance towards as we plan for a grand landscape in the future. Thank you for this platform and privilege. I once again congratulate all of you on this Founders Day. Congratulations to all the winners, the members of staff, and all the entire team who put this show together. God bless you. Thank you and namaste.
आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। श्री के आदर्शों की नींव पर चले हम नया जहां बसाने। संयम और मानवता का मिलकर करें विकास। श्रेष्ठता को पाना है अब तो, यही हमारा अटल विश्वास। आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। विरासत में मिला हमें है प्रचुर परंपरा का भंडार। गर्व से प्रण लेते हैं हम, रखेंगे इन बुनियादों को संभाल। धैर्य और निश्चय से हम लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ते जाएं। सक्षम होकर अपनी प्रभा को विश्व भर में फैलाएं। आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। विद्या ददाति विनयम, विद्या ददाति विनयम। विद्यालय श्री राम, विद्यालय श्री राम। आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने, आंखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने।